हॅलो स्टुडंट, वेलकम इन अ सहज शिक्षण यूट्यूब चॅनल. स्टुडंट, आज आपण इयत्ता 6वीचा हिस्ट्री अँड सिविक्स हा सब्जेक्ट बघत आहोत. तर त्यामधला फर्स्ट चॅप्टर आहे द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट अँड हिस्ट्री. या चॅप्टरचा आपण आज कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज बघणार आहोत. इन दॅट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग इन वन सेंटेन्स. Question 1. What is a history? See the answer. History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. Second question. Where do human settlements flourish? Here is the answer. Human settlements have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful. Third question. What do the people in the hilly regions depend on for their food? Answer. In the hilly regions, people depend more on hunting and gathering for their food. Fourth question. Which was the earliest civilization in India? Here is the answer. The Harappa civilization was the earliest civilization in India. Now the second question. Answer the following questions in short. In that question first, what does human life depend on? See student, here is the answer. Human life in any region depends to the large extent on its geographical characteristics, diet, clothing, housing and occupation. Next, what features of our surroundings form the means of our livelihood? Answer. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we live form the source or means of our livelihood. Third question. Which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? See student, answer. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region is also known as the Indian subcontinent. So this is the answer of this question. Student, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Question 3. Give reasons. Question first. There is a close relation between history and geography. So here they want reason between them. So the answer, first, time, place, society and individuals are four major pillars without which history cannot be written. Then second point, of course, four components. Place is related to geography or geographical conditions. This makes history and geography inseparable, that is very closely related. This is the answer, that there is a close relation between history and geography. Next, second question. People are forced to leave their settlements. Answers. First, sometimes reasons like a degradation of the environment, dot, invasion, etc. leads to scarcity of means. Therefore, people are forced to leave their settlements in their fight for survival. Now next is the fourth question. Explain the difference in the human life in the hilly regions and that on the plains. So here the difference of human life in the hilly region and human life in the plains. First point, human life was very strenuous in the hilly region. Here the life was more comfortable. Then second, land was not fertile. Therefore, no sow agriculture was carried on. And here on the plains, land was very fertile, so agriculture was carried on. Third one, grains and vegetables. Grains are scarce. Grains and vegetables are found in a plenty. Fourth one, they depend on hunting and gathering for their food. Here is the, they do not depend on hunting and gathering for their food. So this is the difference between hilly region, the human life in hilly region and human life in a plains. Next is fifth question. Observe the physical map of India and answer the questions based on it. So this is the physical map of the India. So we have to observe this very carefully and then given the answer of the questions. Okay, so first question, which mountains ranges lies in the north of India? And the answer of this question, the Hindu Kush and the Himalaya mountain ranges, which lies in the north of the India. Second question, which are the routes of India from the north to east? And here is the answer, the route to India from north to east is by sea. Third question, where do the Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? Answer, the Ganga and Brahmaputra meet in Bangladesh. Question 4, name the island to the east of the Indian peninsula. And the answer, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the Indian islands to the east of the Indian peninsula. Fifth question, in which part of India do we see the Thar desert? Now the answer, we see the Thar desert in the northwestern part of the India, where it is the northwestern part of the India, Thar desert is there. So student, here is the end of this video. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.